Apparently, you can't have enough basters. So the week before Thanksgiving, I went in the drawer to make sure I had everything that I needed, and I realized that my turkey baster was not in there because my husband had found another use for my turkey baster. Surprise, surprise. So I didn't have it. And when I went to the store to get one, they were out because other husbands probably had found a new use for the turkey basters. So I quickly had to order one from Amazon, and I was pleased to find a 2-pack. So I have a backup, but I have to hide the second one so that I'm not caught off guard next time. So here's this one. It worked just fine. Apparently it's extra long. I don't remember it being any longer than any other turkey baster that I've had, but I do have my measuring tape here, and we can just make sure. It measures 8 inches. I don't know if the bulb counts, so I won't measure that, but it's 8 inches. The measurements are clearly printed right here. One side has ounces. It goes by a 1/4 ounce, a 1/2 ounce, and 3/4 and a whole ounce. And then this side has milliliters, and it's broke down same type of increments. And we can do a suction test right here, and it sucks up just fine. Oops. Let me do it again. And it holds it just fine, really well. Plastic. And you take the bulb off to wash it. It's been really good. I've been really impressed with that, and I think it's going to work really well. It did note, and I didn't really notice until after the fact, but it did note that it should only be used with room temperature liquids. Again, like I said, I noted after the fact, so it's safe to say that I did not use it with room temperature liquid, and it's still here working. So, all right, so happy basting, friends. Girls, put your turkey basters on lockdown. Thanks.